Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making jollof spaghetti in the easiest way possible using very basic ingredients that you can get anywhere. So for starters, you're going to parboil your spaghetti like you can see me doing. You're going to add some salt because over time I have noticed that adding salt to the spaghetti helps to make it flavorful, so that even when you're eating the spaghetti it wouldn't taste bland at all, and when you finally put all of your ingredients together it would just be amazing. This is the meal prep. Sliced all of my bell peppers, and then I'm adding vegetable oil to a pot. Went with diced onions, added ginger and garlic. Just give that a good mix so that it can saute for a bit. Then I went in with tomato paste. Remember, we're making jollof spaghetti, so of course we're going to add tomato paste. Then you're going to mix all of that. Then I'm going to add fresh tomato and pepper puree to the pot, and then we're going to mix that and just allow it to fry properly. Then you're going to go in with some meat stock. If you don't have any meat stock, don't worry, you can just use water and your food will still be delicious. That's one amazing thing about this particular recipe. So you're going to go in with some curry, some thyme, basically all of the seasonings, seasoning cube, and then you can add salt to taste. Then you're going to give that a good mix. You're going to allow all of the spices to come together. You're going to go in with some carrots, go in with your green bell peppers, your red bell peppers, your yellow bell peppers. But like I said, if you don't have all of these things, you can't do without it. But then again, you should try it like this. So you're going to mix it, allow it to cook, but not too much because you don't want your bell peppers too soft. Then you're going to add your parboiled spaghetti. You're going to mix that, mix. Then you're going to allow it to cook on medium to low heat because you want all of the seasoning, the spices, the jollof to just mix everything together. And then that's it, guys. So this recipe feeds 4 people, and that's the 500-gram pack. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't, so that you'd be notified whenever we share a recipe. And I'll see you in my next post. Thanks for watching. Bye.